Hello, my lovelies, and welcome back to my channel. How are you doing? I'm doing great. Just chilling out, watching some TV, doing my nails, and showing you how I got these awesome nails did. I'm really proud of them, but they kicked my butt. They were really hard to do, and it's been so long since I've done such intricate design that it took me forever and a half to do my hands. I'm like, oh my God, do I have to do a video with this? Yes, they're cute, but you will share in despair that it took to do these nails. So how are you guys doing? Please comment down below. I mean, thank you so much for tuning in. You could have been doing something else, like, I don't know, watching Tiger King or Money Heist on Netflix. But here you are watching to see how I did my Easter nails, because yes, this is an Easter collab. As usual, the pictures and links will be linked to this video, and there you go. Let's get started. So this week I did gels. I don't know why. I kind of just love springy colors, and I have the spring collection from Kiki London. Now, this is not sponsored, but I do love Kiki London as a brand. I am a brand ambassador for them, so I do have a discount code in the description box. So the link is down there. All you need to do is click and you get the discount code. But I absolutely love their gels. They last forever and a half, and they're so vibrant, even for pastels. I mean, it's hard to find very inexpensive gel polishes with such pigmentation when they are creams and pastels. So I highly recommend them. And then, like I said, this is not sponsored, but I highly recommend if you want to get these. So this nail is feeling peachy. This nail is lilac lover. This nail is baby pink. This nail is baby boy. And the final one is cool mint. Back to the designs. I used two stamping plates. Originally, I was going to just use this one, which is the Nicole Diary Easter plate, which you can get on AliExpress. Wonderful plate, all things Easter. But I also used this one. I randomly chose this one. I was looking for a stamping plate with dots that would cover my entire nail. I wanted bigger dots, but then I thought my nails are so tiny. Might as well go with some small dots. But this plate has nothing to do with Easter, except that I just needed this. Okay? So since this was done yesterday, so that the design will stick to my nail, I'm just going to rub some rubbing alcohol on them. Yep, just rub that in there so that my nails will be fresh and clean to get the design, and hopefully it will stick, because when they're freshly done, there is still like a sticky layer on top, so the designs stick readily. But I don't know what's going to happen this time around, that now that I have had to do that. Who knows? And I'm also going to protect my cuticles, something I did not do yesterday. Stubbornly, I thought, oh, I'll just clean it. Hate doing that. So let's do this step. And I'm gonna just let you guys see what happens with all of these nails. I'm gonna speed through it, put on some cute little music, and then I'll see you at the very end, or else this will last forever. Alright, so this is the end results. It's dried matte. So like I said, I use this gel polish top coat first because when I use the matte top coat, it actually, causes the design to streak and bleed. So after using that top coat and I dry, I use this matte top coat and I let it dry. It dries matte, so you don't need to clean off the inhibition layer. And that's it. So I'm really happy with how my nails came out. Will I ever redo these nails? Never ever in a million years could you pay me to redo these nails. They took forever and a half. Filming them is atrocious. It was so hard. I think it's because it's been a while since I've done such intricate nails. But oh my goodness, this was hard and I would not do this again. But thank you so much for watching. Hopefully it does inspire you to do some sort of design. I did do a variety of designs, so you could choose one. And also, hopefully if you have this plate, then it can give you an idea of what to do or what color associations to use. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time, stay beautifully balanced.